सर तेल के दाम गिर रहे हैं इंटरनेशनल क्रूड, बट आपने एलपीजी के दाम बढ़ा दिए, तेल के दाम बढ़ा दिए. Markets are crashing, but oil prices, LPG prices are rising. Why, sir? Why?
Anand, I've known you for a long time, but I would have been surprised if you hadn't asked me the question. But a little surprised that after an hour-long press conference yesterday, you still asked me the question. But since you asked it, I owe it to you and your distinguished invitees
Let's
to
talk
explain.
LPG. We'll talk LPG first.
No,
Ji.
LPG. Let's go with LPG first. We provide LPG first number of connections. It was 14 crores in 2014. Today is 33 crores. If one connection is for one household, so you multiply and each household has 4 people, we have covered the entire population of India and more. You have 100% saturation. We provide the world's cheapest cooking gas. For an Ujjwala beneficiary, it comes to 5 rupees a day. Okay? And for a non-beneficiary, it comes to 14 rupees a day. For every cylinder that is sold, we incur a loss of 500 rupees per Ujjwala beneficiary. 500 rupees. So there was a context in which it had to be done. We were in a particularly difficult environment. That is the environment in which we were providing 3 meals of dry ration in a day during the lockdown and pandemic. It's still continuing. But today what happened as a result of the 503 rupees Ujjwala cylinder is that the companies which were supplying that, they have incurred a loss, and it's a cumulative loss of something like 41,000 crores. Now, I'm a student of subsidies. Money has to come from somewhere. It doesn't grow on trees, as a former Prime Minister said. So what we've done is something very basic. The price of a cylinder has been raised by 50 rupees only, okay? Which means the cost to a family of 4, which is using those figures, it's marginal, all right? But we have also raised the excise duty on petrol and diesel by 2 rupees. Now, there was a big halla yesterday when they saw the finance ministry notification. We clarified the dam at the petrol retail point will not go up. It will remain the same. What we'll do is we'll collect some resources which will help, because we are committed to those oil companies. When last time they incurred a loss of 28,000 crores on gas, we compensated them by 22,000 crores. So this is to do that. Now you come to the second part of your question. Oil prices are coming down. Wonderful news. You know something? We spend something like $150 billion a year on oil imports. If the oil price is down 20%, which means we save 30% overall, $30 billion.
Ji.
That is the value of our exports. So it's good news. But all things good, my friend, have to be sustained. If the oil price today is 61.89 yesterday, I don't know what it is as of this morning because I've been in functions like this.